And now all together. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, something like, or maybe whatever you want.
Let's do this. Okay. Hello.
Hallo. Sameno.
My name is Leander. I'm 19 years old.
My name is Lara. I'm also 19 years old.
My name is Norina and I'm also 19 years old.
And we are from Germany. Heute sind wir bei einer Nomadenfamilie, weil wir deutschen Kartoffelsalat für sie kochen wollen.
Let's cook it, you
Okay, let's cook it.
We're at Nerman shopping center.
Okay, so what do we do now?
We're going to buy some potatoes and other stuff.
Okay. Mustard, vinegar, oil. And we need like...
What vegetable ones?
What's that?
Oh, this is for the pilaf. 5 to 7 people maybe.
Okay, so 3 packages.
Which one is better?
It's like a German.
This is Mongolian product.
Yeah, let's maybe take the Venus anyway because.
Yeah, let's just try.
Thanks.
No.
Das kommt geschätzt. Okay, so now we're going to a nomadic family. They have 2 gears and I think they're right over there. Yes, and we're going there now and cooking some German food, right?
Yes.
Sameno. Minini rek Leander ktik.
Sameno, Minini Norina.
Sameno, Namek Lara Edith.
Sameno.
Намайг чимгээ гэдэг. Намайг мөнгө. Сайн байна. За.
So your favorite milk tea here?
Tobacco.
Snuff tobacco.
Yes. Take some, put it on your finger.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
How old is the little girl?
Oh, he's a son, boy.
Oh,
Just 9 months old.
just 9 months. Oh, wow.
How many animals do you have all together?
It's about more than 100.
Oh, wow. Wie sutetse durte. Oh, it's very good.
It's very nice, yeah.
Very good, yeah.
Oh, it's very sweet. Very good.
His name Anand.
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 What are you guys doing?
He's eating my hair. Anyway. He's very confused.
Okay, so we want to cook some German potato salad now, and yeah, here's what we need.
So we have like German mustard, we have potatoes, vinegar and oil, and also onions and garlic.
We have pickles, pepper and salt, of course. We're also cooking some German sausages. We have the Wiener Wurst and the Frankfurter.
And we got some broth. Yes, regular food. It's like also not that difficult to cook because we're not that good cooks, so it's just a bit more easy food, but also very common. Yes.
Yeah. You can eat it as a main course or side dish.
You can also buy it like in the store already done, like a potato salad. You can buy it in a lot of stores and just eat it.
Inuimbi.
What is that?
That's mustard. That's like a kind of like sauce similar to ketchup or mayonnaise.
нөгөө горчиц гэдэг яа. Гич гэдэг.
Тий, горчис. Энэ.
What is this?
That's Wiener Wurst. It's a German sausage, which is really popular in Germany.
Have you tried mustard before?
Энийг урд нийлжсэн.
Тий, нэг галхан дээр зүрхээ идчихсэн шүү дээ.
Does she like it?
Таалагдсан уу гэж. That's okay. It was.
We just need 2 kilos.
Yes, so we need. That's enough. That's enough.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay.
Is it too much or too little?
It's actually too much.
Yeah, then just take-
Yeah, take one out. Okay. Now it's perfect. Let's go.
Now we are cutting the onions and also the garlic. It smells a lot like garlic.
Lara is the strongest one. She doesn't cry.
Not because of onions.
No.
Yes. I have to cry now.
You wanna cry now?
Yeah.
salad will be so tasty.
Oh man!
Oh, my hands are. There's oil on my hands.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Ready with a towel?
Yes. Oh.
Whoa.
We're cutting the pickles.
For cubic?
No, just like slices. Now we put it to the onions.
For the mix.
Yes, everything will be mixed in the end.
Oh, I smell German salad now. Are you understood?
No.
What is the most popular traditional German food?
In Bavaria, Schweinehaxen with Knödel. So it's like pig.
Roasted.
Yeah, roasted pig, and the Knödel are like they made from potatoes, and they're like these balls.
I saw that.
Yeah, kind of.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe the smaller ones are okay, but
5 more minutes and it will be perfect. I guarantee you guys.
oh yeah, they're perfect now.
Okay.
Be careful.
You wanna put it outside?
Yes. Outside. Because in Mongolia it's cold. We cook the water and then we take the water out and put the broth in it.
Oh, they're still hot. Whew. Your fingers look like this, then you do it right.
Good potato.
First we have to put the onions, the garlic and the pickles to the potatoes. So all mix it together. Vinegar to the potatoes, like 100, 120 milliliters.
Yes.
So you have to guess now. Okay, I think that's
Yeah,
enough.
that's enough.
Yes. Okay.
More?
Yeah, a bit more.
Okay. And if it's not enough, you can taste it afterwards.
And put more.
Yeah, because the broth is also very salty. But not everything at once, yes.
So now we maybe wait like 3 or 4 minutes and then we give the rest of the broth into it. Maybe do you want to try to do this also yourself?
Yeah, she'll do that.
Yes? Oh, that's very nice.
She always loved to cook.
Yeah, we hope you will like it.
I hope so too.
And now we have to put the mustard.
And we need to mix really good after that.
Leander.
Professional chef. That's enough, right?
Yeah, that's
The broth is all soaked up. So now we put 120 milliliters oil in it.
More. Still more.
okay. Stop.
So now mix again.
Leander, it's your job. That looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really good. I never thought I would make potato salad
In
a
a
jar
jar.
in Mongolia, but it's so fun.
Leander, can you open this jar?
Yes, of course I can. Well, look at it. My hands are still oily. I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'm gonna open it. If I now fail, please don't cut it in, okay?
You can do it.
This is not fair. Thanks, easy.
Now we're going to boil the sausages, the wiener in the water.
Yeah, not exactly boiling, just warm.
Just in the warm water.
Yes. Only like maybe 3 or 4 minutes, so
They're just warm.
nice and warm.
Take a little bit of salad. I think more salt.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
And maybe also a little bit more mustard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sausages. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky. We made some German potato salad and cooked some German sausages.
Yes, and now we're ready to eat them.
Hey.
And it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, the best potato salad in Mongolia. So you take some salad. You take the sausage and you dip it in the mustard. Very good. And then you can eat some potato salad with it.
지야 이게 지야 이게 사lat.
다들 있어.
김치찌개한테 무슨 일을 못하고 있어. 나가 이거 김에.
We're very happy.
I'm so happy.
That's that. Okay.
Very good. 맛이 빨라. 빨대.
Sehr viel Schinken.
That's